Hi everybody, welcome back to the phonics sessions. I hope you're all keeping busy. What are you doing to keep busy? Are you going outside? Are you riding a bike? I know that Eva has been learning to ride her bike without stabilisers. Well done Eva, I'm really proud of you. I'm learning a new skill. Yesterday evening I went to Yeadon Tarn on rollerblades. I was rubbish, but I'm going to keep on going and hopefully I won't need my car anymore. When we go back to school, I'll be zooming to school on my rollerblades. Let's see. Right, today's session we are doing the ooh sound. So we do this action, ooh, like a cuckoo. So on our sound mat, it is ooh as in moon and as in book. It's the double O digraph. So I will flip the screen round, zoom in a little bit. So if you want to join in with this, we would normally start the session with the children writing as many words as they can see or writing a silly sentence. I can see a girl on a sandwich, a train, the children are happy. What can you see? Don't forget to use your cursive letters and sound out the words as you hear them. So girl would be g, l. Now for reception children, the could be this sound or this sound, g, l. If they wrote the word with those spellings, they would be absolutely right because they are the ones they've learned. If it's an older child, they will have learned the other sounds and it's just their best bet so they can guess and hopefully they will get it right. So if you want to press pause and write a sentence, do that now. Let's flip down because they're for another day. Right, let's warm up and sing our alphabet song. I don't have any helpers today, so it's just my beautiful voice. Apologies. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Do you know I'm out of breath this morning? I've been running around. I've made a beef stew. I've been running up and down the steps. Right. In reception, sometimes I point to a letter and the children have to call out the letter name. So if I point to this, the children will call out A, K, S. See if you can call it out before I say it. V, G. Well done. Right, we're going to whiz through these sounds now. I'm not going to say them. See if you can say them twice. Keep going, you're doing a great job. I bet your grown-ups are learning how to say their sounds properly. Well done, grown-ups, keep up the good work. Every day's a learning day. Okay, we're going to move on to the digraphs. I will say them with you this time. Ch, ch, as in chicken. As in ring. Qu, qu, as in queen. Th and th, th and th as in thumb. I as in night. Sh as in shoe. A as in rain. E as in leak. O as in goat. As in book. Oo as in moon. Or as in fork. R as in card. As in burger. Oi as in coin. Ow as in cow. Ear as in beard. As in rubber. Air as in chair. Your or your as in pure. Tricky words, learnt these off by heart. I think I'm not going to join in. Let's see how many you know. If you don't recognise them all, that's fine. But why don't you ask your grown-up to count how many you do know, and you can try and beat that every single day. Let's go. Fantastic. I'll quickly whip through these. Monday we did the I sound. We have high, light, for light, tonight. We spelt some I words and read the caption. Tuesday we did O. There's a digraph. We did coat, road, toad, poach. We spelt the words and we wrote a sentence. Today we're going to read the double O digraph. That is the ooh. So let's see if you can use your blending arm to read these words. Can you spot the digraph within the word? We've got b, t. Now we'll have to say this. Could it be b, t, or b, oo, t? Which one do you think sounds better? Yep, it is the boot. Boot. So with this digraph, because it makes two sounds, you just have to say it both ways and then have your best guess as to which sound you think it is. What does this say? Is it l, k, l, k, look, or is it l, ook, l, ook, Luke? Now, in Yorkshire, we say l, ook, look. I know that some people say Luke, and that is absolutely fine. Okay, let's do this word. G, d, g, d. Good. Or is it g, ood, g, ood, good? Call out the answer. What do you think that says? That's right, it says good. Okay, we've got a longer word here. So this word has 2 syllables. Because it's a longer word, we're going to cover up the back part of the end part of the word. So let me get both my hands. Let's see if we can sound out this part together first. What sound do we think it is? Let's go for oo. Oof. Oof. Roof. That is a word. We know that's a word. Let's try it the other way. Uff. Uff. Rough. What do we think? That's right, we think it's roof. So this part says roof. Let's read the rest of the word. Top. Top. Let's put it together. Roof. Top. Rooftop. Well done, you are reading longer words now. There's no stopping you. Okay, so in a minute you can press pause, and the words we are going to practice writing are boot, look, good and rooftop. Now Mrs. Sharp has been a little bit mean and I've mixed up the and the oo sound, so you're going to have to really think about it. Those words again are boot, look, good and rooftop. If you want to challenge yourself, you can write a sentence with each of the words in, or if you are an older child, maybe in year 1, and you know some other sounds, write down as many words as you can think of. Press pause now. Okay, we're going to read this question. I'm going to leave it here. If you want to press pause whilst your children read it, I'm then going to reveal the picture to see if you read the question correctly. So press pause now. Right, well done for having a really good go. We've got a diagraph here, the O. We've got a diagraph here, and we've got our sound of the day, the sound, h-uk. Let's see if you read the question right. Can a coat hang on a hook? Is it thumbs up or is it thumbs down? Of course it's thumbs up. You can hang a coat on a hook. Well done. So that is the end of our phonics session. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. So I think to do that you press, I don't actually know how to do it, but I think you press like the little arrow at the side of the heading and it comes down. Also check out the description in the other videos, because we have included some other activities or other ways that you can do an activity. So for example, in the hot potato game yesterday, if you check the description out, it says to extend it, you can count in 2s, 5s and 10s using bigger numbers. So check out the description just to make sure you're not missing anything out. And because it went down so well, I've thought of another joke. Are you ready? Now I don't have anyone next to me to laugh at my own joke, so I think I'll just laugh at myself. Are you ready? Why did the picture go to prison? Let's say it at home. I don't know. Why did the picture go to prison? Because it was framed. Did you get it? A picture's framed. Never mind. I'll work on some more laughs tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody. The sun is shining.